Your Royal Majesty, I am, on behalf of those who have come with me, it is a great privilege and honor to be greeted by you here in Kumasi as we begin our gathering of Anglicans from around the world. In a few moments, I will say something about your own contribution to the Anglican Communion and to the Anglican Church in Ghana. But before that, I want to say that it is extraordinary to come to an event like this and find that, as in our own country, you have preserved the honor and dignity of your throne and of your line through the last many, many years, both yourself and those who went before you during the British colonial period and then afterwards. The skillful work of your predecessors and yourself has meant that the respect in which you were held has remained complete. And that is an extraordinary achievement in such difficult times. As you know as well as I do, Your Royal Majesty, there is no easy way to govern and to lead, not in these times. That people are suspicious of authority, and particularly the young, and many people wonder why the old traditions are still valuable. What we have learned in the United Kingdom is the old traditions are valuable because they give stability in a rapidly changing world. Last September, we were finishing our holiday, our summer holiday, and I received a call from my Chief of Staff with the words London Bridge, which was the code word for the death of Her late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. We were in France and we drove overnight and came back to England in time for the accession ceremony and for interviews with radio and television and the newspapers, and then for a series of events which illustrated that whereas prime ministers in England come and go, or this last year they come and go, come and go, come and go, come and go, we seem to have got through an awful lot. Although they come and go, someone who serves from the royal throne and shows their love for their people in their service is someone whose legacy and history remains. People will have to look up the names of prime ministers in 2023 in England, but they will all know that there were two monarchs because they both serve. I am sure that you yourself, Your Royal Majesty, continue to have the affection of your people and their trust, not because you dominate, but because you serve. And we always remember, as Christians, that the greatest model of service in history, in human history, in all the universe, was the God who washed his disciples' feet, the crucified God. That is how to lead, to save, and to serve. I know of your own faith, and I thank Your Royal Majesty for the example you have given and for honoring us with this audience. Would you like to? building on the century-long relationship between the monarchy and the Anglican Church, throughout his reign, His Royal Majesty King Otumfuo Osei Tutu II has maintained a lively and strong relationship with the Anglican Church in Ghana and the Anglican Communion worldwide, indeed visiting Lambeth Palace. His Royal Majesty has generously provided support and guidance to the Church, which have had a tremendous impact on its growth and development. A most notable example of this support is the establishment of the Anglican National Secretariat in Accra. His Royal Majesty's considerable support and involvement within the political and cultural life of the nation of Ghana have helped bring many, many benefits. In particular, His Royal Majesty established the Otumfuo Osei Tutu II Foundation, which seeks to solve problems in 5 areas, aiming to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals: education, health, sanitation, clean water, and entrepreneurship. His Royal Majesty also supported the Otumfuo Education Fund, the Otumfuo Community Reading Challenge, the Otumfuo Mobile Learning Projects, the Otumfuo Mobile Dental Projects, the Otumfuo Teachers Awards, and many others. These are just some of the outstanding achievements of His Royal Majesty during his reign, which are linked to his unwavering and outstanding support of the Anglican Church in Ghana. Within the Anglican Communion, the highest award we give is the Cross of St. Augustine, who brought the gospel to England in 597. The last royal person I awarded the cross to and presented with was Her late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II at the beginning of July last year, some 2 months before her death. And it is a huge honor and a memorable honor for me to be permitted to offer you this award and the citation that I've just read. To mark your Royal Majesty's consistent support for the cause of the Anglican Church and the whole nation of Ghana.